All right, welcome to today's session. In today's session, I'll be walking you through the design tool, or also known as the editor, and I'll be focusing more on designing from scratch. In subsequent videos, I will focus on using the tool to customize templates. So I have chosen a blank canvas, as you can see. So this is a blank canvas. A blank canvas is required for any design you're about to do using the design tool, right? So now this is my blank canvas, and I'm going to be designing on this blank canvas. Now I'm going to walk you through the tools. So if you look right to the top left, you see there's a save button. This button is used for saving your design, right? And when you are done with your design, you click on this button. You also see this icon. This icon shows you if your changes have been saved. It turns green if the changes were saved, and it turns red if the changes were not saved. And you can also see this. So this is the name of your design. You can also edit it right here and change it to something else. My design for test. So you can see that this is showing green while I'm writing. So because it is saving it successfully, right? So if you couldn't save it, it will show red and show your changes have not been saved, right, in red color, right? So we also have another button right here, and when you are done with your design, you can send it to a particular printer within our printer database. You can pick a printer and send this design to the printer directly from here, right? You don't have to download it, then you start looking for a printer to print it for you. No, you just finish your design and send to a printer, and your print work will get printed and delivered to your doorstep. That is the beauty of every event, right? Now we also have a share, so you can decide to share this design directly to your WhatsApp contacts or directly via SMS, right? You can send the design via SMS. You don't have to download it, upload it to a platform, generate link before you start sending. You can do this right from the dashboard using the tool, right? Now you also have your profile, right? So this is your login section on the software. So I'm logged in on the web app. So when I click on the design tool, it shows me that I'm also logged in on the design tool. So now if you look on the tools that you'll be using mostly for design, so I will start from this point. So first thing first, this is the templates part where you select a template. You can pay for a template right from this place, right? If you want to change this template, maybe you want to add a template, use a template instead of designing from scratch, you can do it right from this place, from this from this section, right? You can also search for the templates if you wish to. Then we also have the text tool, right? The text tool is used for adding text to your canvas. So if I add a text box, you can see my text has been added. So the beauty of every event is you can actually customize your text right from here using the text editor, or you can also double click on the text. If you're a designer, you would be very conversant with um, this kind of operations of text tool, right? Double clicking on the text itself highlights it, and it says your text is ready to be customized. So I can change it to red color, right? I can also change it from the text editor if you're not a designer and you need to quickly edit your text and move on with other things. So you can also change it to blue color. So that's the beauty of every event. All right, so and customize your font size. You can increase the font size if you want. Just highlight your text and you increase the font size to the size you wish. You can see how it increases the font size for me, and I don't necessarily have to. Okay, so you can see the font size has been increased. I can also decide to change the font type if I do not like the current font type, right? I can decide to change the font type. Uh, I can change it to any font based on the fonts that I can see here. You can see, so you can change it to any font style. You can also change this, add italics or anything underline, italics. You can bold, you can align it to the center or to the left or to the right as you wish. You can strike through and so on and so forth. So all the basic text functionalities that you get in your regular design tool, you can find it on every event. Um, so you can also these tools can also be found on the top navbar here. So similar tools, but on this case you can change the colors from any of these 2 points. You can pick a color if you have a specific color you would like to use. From an image, you can pick a color using the color picker tool. You can, okay, we have the strokes, the flip. You can flip vertically or horizontally. You can apply effect like shadows. You can apply line heights and kerning. Uh, and just so on and so forth. You can also design to lock. You can also decide to lock the design if you wish, right? You can apply positioning if you have multiple layers of design elements on your canvas. You can apply layering and reposition any of the design elements as you wish. You can duplicate. You can also duplicate using some command prompts, Control C, and so on and so forth. You can delete if you wish, or using your normal delete on your PC keyboard, right? So yeah, that is for the text tool, right? Then we also have the elements where you can add a lot of elements, right? We have the lines, the shapes, and the marks, right? So we have a dedicated video concerning this. You might want to check our YouTube channel to see how to apply marks and how to customize masked items on every event, right? So you can apply shapes, you can add any shape you want, use it for your design. You can apply any shape you want and use it for your design. You can use apply tools, and tools, use and tool to move stuff around. You can also use the pencil tool. You can say you can also use the pen tool. You can use the picker tool to pick items and move them around, right? So that is for the tools section. You can upload items if you so wish. You can upload fresh items. So I'm just gonna pick something. Uh, Let me pick one of these designs. So I'm uploading one of these designs now. Okay, you can see image uploaded successfully. Now you can see my image has been uploaded. I can click on it to the design, so you can see I've added the image. I think I clicked on it multiple times, and that is why you see it appearing multiple times. I click on it multiple times, so you can see image has been added to the canvas, and so this is one of the projects we did. So the image has been added to the canvas, and yeah, so that is for the upload tool. You can basically see anything you can do with Canva or any other similar design tool can be done with every event, right? So guide for the every event design tool. If you have any questions or you have any issues using the tool, you can reach out to our support at contact at everyeventdelivery.com, and we'll respond as soon as possible to your issues and queries. All right, see you in the next session.